Welcome to the Weekly Dog Sportsman Podcast Show. It's your boy Michael Scott, the man Russian.
Salim,
and this episode is the Dogs. Matter of fact, this segment is the Dogs. This season, this season 3, episode 15. We up against the wall right now. We ain't got a lot of time, so I'm gonna get right into it. Yeah. I will say you go, I go, you go, I go. But I'm just gonna go. My little dog this week, I'm going with the Miami Dolphins. They going to Texas. They going to H-Town. They get the job done. Tyreek Hill. Tua, they just on point, man. They got H-Hand, they got the running, they just back in mode. They gotta win. They want to make the playoffs. They playing for real, man. The money line plus 132. The spread 2.5. I'm taking the money line, man. The over under 46.5. I'm taking the money line and the over, man. Who you got? Who your dog?
My little dog. Boom. I'm going right there. I love that. So there's some great little dogs out here.
Yeah.
I'm going with Let's Go Buffalo. My top five. Let's Go Buffalo. Little dog. I'm going against Detroit. They in Detroit. Plus 2.5. Same thing, man. Plus 120. Hey, Detroit, y'all already know. It's time to lose. They only lost one game. And at the end of the day, don't get it twisted. If it's a team that can score with Detroit, it's Buffalo. Let's go Buffalo.
Buffalo. I love it.
Plus 2.5. You know what I'm saying? Plus 120. I'm talking about Josh Allen,
MVP, that's it. My big dog this week. Big dog.
Let's go.
Used to go over there barking. Big dogs in the building like the Rams. I'm going with the Cleveland Browns, the dog pound. One of these Browns got to do me right. I'm betting against Patrick Mahomes. I don't like to bet against Patrick Mahomes, but this week, it's time for them to lose, man. They keep winning, they keep skating. It's Mr. Magical against Mr. Magical. I love James Winston, man. He been
30.
making it happen. Jared Judy, he found a new home. He killing it in Cleveland. They got the tight end, they got the defense. I think they get after Patrick Mahomes, and I think they come through late and hold it down and win this game. I'm going with the Cleveland Browns. The money line is plus 176. The total is over 45.5. I'm going with the over 45.5 all day and the Cleveland Browns on the money line. But if you don't believe it, you want to take the spread, it's plus 4.5. At least take the spread plus 1.5 and the over. I'm going with the Cleveland Browns over Kansas City in Cleveland. Dog pound representing. It's time. That's my big dog this week. Who you got?
It's time. Before I give you my big dog, please make sure y'all like, subscribe, share.
Please. Please do all of that.
My big dog is a roof. I'm going against top five again. Top five. They're going against each other. Right now, we're talking about the Pittsburgh Steelers over.
We're going to wear that towel.
We're going to wear that towel. Fly, Eagle, fly. Fly, Eagle, fly. Top five. What we talking about? Hey, plus 5.5, they trying to say. I'm liking the plus 5.5 for the Pittsburgh Steelers. Mike Thomas, Russell Wilson, Justin Fields, and the Pittsburgh Steelers defense. I mean, it's a Philadelphia showdown. It's a Pennsylvania showdown. You know what I'm saying? A Pennsylvania showdown. But Pittsburgh going to upset their ass.
That's it right there.
You know what I'm saying?
Pittsburgh.
I'm going to upset their ass. And then you know what? The money line is plus 205, baby. 2-1.
That's a big dog.
2-1.
That's a big dog.
That's a real
Cane Corso.
In Pennsylvania. Russell Wilson, they doing it.
Man, well, they playing in Philadelphia, but I like that dog. I'm a fly Eagles fly type of guy, and that's where we at, man. Another episode. That's your top five. They going against each other
next week.
Another episode, man. Season 3, episode 15. It's been a hell of a day. Shout out. Let's do our shout outs, bro. T-Knock.
Man, we on fire the spot. Still cooking.
Still cooking. We on fire the spot. Shout out, bro. Shout out Joe's versus Shy Guys. Yep. My homie Steve, New York, NYC representing. Yep. I want to shout out Tonio in North Carolina, hold it down. He got back in touch with us. Out the building was working. Tell him, Brad. I took over the West End with Tonio way before Little Baby. Way before Little Baby, me and Tonio had the West End on crack. You know how that see in a trap shot. So shout out Tonio. That's my bro. That's my round. Man, we
orchestration. You know
orchestration. Ooh, each of the beats.
Each of the beats.
You tripping.
Hey, y'all know what it is. Twitch, man. Live Twitches are going.
Hey, the metaverse. We got the metaverse cracking hard. You want to fuck with the Twitch? We got the metaverse cracking hard. Monday night. Y'all know what it is. Monday. Chicken Wing Monday. Represent for Warren, Miss Davis, Mike Davis, Big Tom. Y'all know what it is. The tailgate crew, we represent this Monday, December 16th at the orchestration. Shout out E. Jilla.
It's a plus 200 this Monday.
It's plus 200. Yeah, we got to get this money, man. Let's get this money, baby. We gonna make sure it happen. Y'all know I'm in red. We gonna make sure y'all come out and fuck with us. We gonna get some money that day. Either way, we going broke or going for a joke. Man, and I want to shout out Old Heads Podcast, Emilio. Y'all know my people in Milwaukee. No, they ain't Milwaukee. I always say Milwaukee, but they in Wisconsin. They up there. They getting real high. They getting real drunk, and they off the rocks. And I love their podcast. And that's my bro from Holy Trinity. So shout out Old Heads Podcast.
Hey.
And
shout out to our new guys, man. Shout out to Dabbling, Joe. We dip
oh yeah, we dabbling. Shout out Dabbling. Dumpster Fire. Hey, y'all know Dabble. Dumpster Fire 2300. Weekly Dog 1979. Shout out UC Gun. He came through with the Maximus. He want to get Maximus plug. So we off the Maximus this episode, and it's one of those, man. We love y'all. Episode 1 Weekly Dog, Sportsman Podcast Show. Tune in, and we out. Spaceship.